screen here with the flip of the day, and it is this product here. This is not a Wii game, this is a Wii Lens Cleaning Kit, and I picked it up because it had a barcode on the back, and I scanned it and I saw there were none on Amazon. So you might be thinking, well, if there's none on Amazon, how do you know what it's worth? Well, if there's none on Amazon, it's potentially a very rare product that nobody can get because nobody has it for sale. Now, the box is a little bit rough. I basically got this for free, but it turns out there are basically 5 cleaning wipes in here, so you can clean your Wii Lens 5 times. 2 of them have been used, but 3 of them are unused. So like I said, I got it basically for free. I opened it up, took pictures of it, put it on eBay saying, hey, there's only 3 of these lens cleaning things left, and it's sold in less than 24 hours for $35. So if you see something with a barcode on it, it's really easy, scan it, and even if you don't get pricing information, if it's not available, it might be a good sign that it's actually rare and actually sell for a good price when you list it online. Hope it helps.